In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Figma file. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening Figma in your browser or desktop app. If you don't already have an account signed in, click the Login button to get started. One quick option you might see is Continue with Google, which lets you authenticate with a Google account instead of typing a password. Use the method that works for you and wait for your files to load. Once you're signed in, navigate to the project or file you want to export. Open that file so you can see the frames, components, or artboards you plan to export. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right file and that the layers you want exported are visible and unlocked. Next, look to the right-hand side of the interface for the export panel. That's where Figma organizes export options for any selected layer, frame, or component. If nothing is selected, click the frame or other element you want to export so the export settings appear. The panel is context sensitive. It updates as you select different objects. You'll notice several export formats available. Common choices include PNG, JPG, SVG, and PDF, and you can also choose export scales like 1x, 2x, or custom sizes. Figma lets you prepare multiple export formats at once. For example, you could export both a PNG at 1x and an SVG in a single operation. This is handy when you need assets for different platforms or resolutions. When choosing a file format, consider how you'll use the asset. Use PNG for images that require transparency, JPG for photos where file size matters, SVG for vector graphics that need to scale without losing quality, and PDF for print-ready documents. If you need a higher resolution image, set the scale to 2x or 3x before exporting. After you've selected the format and any additional options, click the Export button in the panel. Figma will generate the files and prompt you to save them to your computer. If you selected multiple items, each will be exported with its layer name. Double-check naming to keep files organized. A quick tip: before exporting, hide any temporary guides or overlays and confirm that text is correctly converted or outlined if necessary for your use case. That's all it takes to export from Figma. Sign in, select your file and layers, pick formats and scales in the right-hand export panel, then click Export and Save. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, please subscribe and like the video.